I recently went to a pottery studio and let me tell you, the experience was therapeutic. I learned a lot and I felt like the dirt was taking away all the stress out of my body. But let's be honest, I was guided in every step. And every session cost me around 1500 rupees, which is a bit costly affair, thinking about the fact that I am a little poor. So I decided to do it on my own. But then I realized if I try to search for adult pottery wheels, it will cost me around 15 to 16,000 tak, and I'm not gonna invest that much of money, guys. So what did I do? I invested 877 rupees on a kids pottery wheel kit. Around. Yeah. And you know what? Best part? It's appropriate for 8 plus ages. Like, look at it. I am 26 years old, and if it says 8 plus ages, I am eligible to work on this pottery wheel. So let's get started with the video.
So with this pottery wheel kit, you will be getting a प्यारा सा pink color का pottery wheel along with the leveler stick, 3 settings of the button 0, 1, 2 जिससे आप कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हो speed. Along with that, you have to purchase your own D batteries, which I'll just paste the picture right here. Paints, tools, and you know the thread to cut your pottery from the wheel, and 2 packs of clay.
Let's do the pottery. And this seems quite wet sort of a clay, like very soft in consistency. Okay, I'm gonna use this much amount hardly because so I have seen a lot of videos and I have seen people, you know, making a round face. I already have, you know, water here. इसमें मैंने actually red clay mix किया था, so it might look dirty. Yeah. I'll remove this as well because I don't think so it's necessary. I'm gonna switch it on in one mode, I think. Okay, I need wood. I'll switch on this. Oh, what is happening?
I was clearly not getting the hang of it. I made mistakes multiple times, and trust me, it was difficult to set the clay for the first time. Then maybe later I got the hang of it, but let me tell you, I was not able to make a proper piece for like after my, I guess, 9th attempt. I don't know. So I struggled, as you can see. I was struggling and struggling, but at the same time, it was fun.
I don't know what is going on, and it's very loud. I don't know what am I doing wrong.
मैंने ये सोचा, थक के मैंने पॉटरी व्हील पापा को थमा दिया. And guess what? He was able to make the pottery in one go. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही पापा ने कुछ अच्छा बना दिया. देन उसके बाद मैंने फिर से ट्राई किया एंड आई वॉज स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग विद द सेंटरिंग. सेंटरिंग हो नहीं रहा था. देन आई वॉज प्राउड कि मैंने कुछ तो क्यूरेट किया है इससे. जस्ट लुक एट इट.
Okay, something. Nana, is it nice?
जो भी पॉटरी बना रहा है, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू. यू आर वेरी स्किल्ड. इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग अ बिजनेस आउट ऑफ इट, लिटरली I'll go and purchase you, because now I realized कि ये इतना एक्सपेंसिव सिरेमिक्स क्यों बेचते हैं. बिकॉज पॉटरी इज़ अ स्किल जो मेरे में रत्ती भर नहीं था. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू सेंटर माई क्ले एज मच एज़ पॉसिबल, बट वो हमेशा स्लाइड हो जा रही है, या तो फिसल जा रही है, या तो मशीन रुक जा रहा है. ऑफकोर्स इट्स अ किड्स व्हील, तो थोड़ा तो मशीनरी वाइज इट्स अ बिट लोअर साइड, बट स्टिल इसमें भी स्किल की ज़रूरत है. या तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी डाल दे रही थी जिसके वजह से क्ले वॉज बिकमिंग क्वाइट सॉफ्ट. सो ट्राई टू बैलेंस इट आउट. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द बैलेंसिंग. मैंने फिर से ब्रेक लिया. उसके बाद मम्मी ने अटैम्प्ट किया And guess what? She was also able to do in one go. Something is wrong with me, guys. Something is wrong. Hello. It's currently night directly. मैंने बहुत ब्रेक ले लेके कुछ तो बनाया. So I'm going to show you the pieces which I made, and my mom and dad also, try to do pottery. So this is ये वाला पीस मैंने बनाया जो कि ऑलमोस्ट सूखने लगा है. दिस वॉज माई पीस मेड आफ्टर 4th अटेम्प्ट. आई नो. इसके साथ मैंने ये ढक्कन छोटू सा. दिस इज़ द पीस मेड बाय माई फादर फर्स्ट ट्रायल में. आई नो. दिस इज़ द पीस मेड बाय माई मदर, दैट टू ऑन अ फर्स्ट ट्रायल. And this is after my, I have used different clay by the way, and this I have made after my 9th attempt. I have made this, but I'm really proud of it though. सारे pieces आराम से सूखेंगे. मैंने काफ़ी सारे pieces तोड़े फिर से बनाए. So this is the finalized pieces, and you can see different colors because I have used different soil. So the first piece you are seeing right now is made from my garden clay, which is basically black soil and it's free. Second clay is from terracotta red clay I had years ago. And the third category is the clay which they provided with the kit. And it worked the best. Terracotta clay also worked the best, but this was the best. Later I decided to paint all the pieces white, and this part is the most therapeutic part because it is the part of beautification. I was able to, इनिशिएट आइडियाज़ कि मैं क्या क्या डिज़ाइंस डाल सकती हूँ क्या नहीं. एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू कीप इट एज अ सुवीनियर बिकॉज माई पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो मेड इट एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट क्यूट. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू सेव इट. इसीलिए आई डिसाइडेड टू पेंट दीज 3 pieces ओनली. बाकी जो बचे कुछ पीसेज है आई एम गोना ब्रेक इट एंड रीयूज़ इट फॉर समथिंग एल्स. सो दीज आर द फाइनलाइज्ड डिज़ाइंस. Tell me if you like it or not because I loved it.
My final thoughts on this product. Fun wise, I would like to give this product 5 out of 5 stars because I had an amazing time. I was relaxed, I felt therapeutic, and I enjoyed the period, to be honest. Second thing is that not just me, my parents were also trying to make the pottery, which gave me a family bonding experience, so you can try that out. Fuck with the adult angle. If you're trying to make a big pottery thing on the wheel, it won't be able to take the weight of the soil and the plate will stop constantly. So in that, area, I would like to give it 3 out of 5 stars. Third thing is that इतने कम पैसे में और क्या चाहिए. If you are a new beginner just like me and who wants to try more pottery thing on the wheel, then go for it. इतने सस्ते में और अच्छा चीज़ नहीं मिल सकता. And ये बच्चों का खिलौना है literally. But it is giving you the same joy which kids get. And there is no fault in embracing the child inside you. So you can definitely invest in this pottery wheel kit. I have already mentioned the link in my description so you can check it out. So yeah, all in all, this product gets 4.5 stars from my side. I'm gonna meet you really soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and do let me know if you want to see such videos in the future. Bye.